Hi, I'm Ryan from Foxtecc, and today I'm going to show you how to change your keyboard language on an iPad. This is a really useful feature if you're bilingual, learning a new language, or just need to switch between different languages for your work or personal use. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open the Settings app on your iPad. The Settings app is where you can manage all the different configurations for your device, including your keyboard settings. Once you're in the Settings app, scroll down a bit and tap on General. This section controls the core settings for your iPad, and it's where you'll find the options for your keyboard. Next, tap on Keyboard. This will take you to the keyboard settings where you can manage everything from text correction to adding new keyboards. To add a new language, tap on Keyboards, and then select Add New Keyboard. You'll see a list of available languages. Scroll through the list and choose the language you want to add. This will add the selected language to your list of available keyboards. Once you've added a new language, switching between languages is quick and easy. The next time you're typing, press and hold the globe icon on the keyboard. A pop-up menu will appear, showing all the languages you've added. Simply select the language you want to use, and your keyboard will instantly switch to that language. And that's all there is to it. Changing your keyboard language on the iPad is a simple process, but it can make a big difference in how efficiently you can type in different languages. Whether you're sending emails, writing documents, or chatting with friends in another language, this feature makes it seamless to switch between keyboards. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you later.